It's insane.
Yeah.
That's insane right there. All those are brick buildings. Every single one of them.
Can you go straight? Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll find out. I'm gonna try. I mean, the only thing you can do is turn me around. Oh my God, man. This is crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like this. Have you? Look at that, babe. Look here. God. Oh my God. You are up record, right?
Yes.
All right.
Look at that.
Oh my God. This is insane. Holy. This is a lot worse. Oh my God, look at that way. It's a lot worse than I thought. God, everything is gone. Look on this side. Look, that's
bricks and everything. Just
this is crazy. Look at that. Look at these cars right here. God, look at that. Look up.
like Domino's Pizza. Just.
I didn't think it was gonna be this bad. This is bad. This is really bad.
Yeah.
And this is only going down one street.
Yeah.
Look at that. It just snatched everything out of the place. I'm gonna hit one of these side roads. I ain't go down there. Oh, I get right down that thing. There's somebody over there cutting it right now.
He's lowering his chainsaw.
Makeshift power line, that's what that is.
Yeah. Where's Carly's house?
Oh, babe, over here. I was gonna go back.
Oh my God.
I want to go back over that way though, too. Though we'll go back this way, but which I guess it really don't matter. It's gonna be all bad.
Yeah.
We'll just try down this road and see how fucked up it is. God, look over there.
Good Lord.
What are you doing, people? We're gonna go around you. We're gonna go around you. Don't pull up. You see us, right?
Yep.
All right.
Gosh.
This is bad.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. God.
Dang
I mean, they're just. This looks like a war town. Ooh.
There's lines in the road.
Yeah. Well, they're driving over them, so I guess it's fine. Well, I'm sure it's probably
Just be
not
careful.
live.
There's
It's not probably not live.
like a metal thing right there.
So. Look at that wrapped around there. Get that.
I know.
Oh my God. Oh, look at that tree. Look at us wrapped up right here. You make sure you are recording right.
Yes.
Okay, well sometimes
5
I do.
minutes
Okay,
and 6.
well sometimes I do it and I forget I'm done recording. That's oh my god, what the hell is that? Sheet
It's
metal.
metal from somebody's house. Go down this way. Oh, maybe.
Look at these freaking light poles, but look at this one about to come down.
I know. That's why I was like, oh, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
God, that's ridiculous. Look at that. There's a side by side back there just wrecked. I mean, it's done. Man, I feel so sorry for these people who live here.
I know.
I mean, this sucks.
It does.
There's so much. I mean, they'll this will take forever. Look at that limb. It's just hanging. See that?
Yeah.
I mean, for real.
It got caught on the other one, and it's hooked to it.
Come on back. I'm not going. Yeah.
Look at that house. Look at that.
That's crazy. Look at all these people up here working on this house. Look up on the roof. God.
Dang.
Their insurance wasn't fucking around. That's too many people on a roof. I mean, you don't need 20 fucking people on a roof.
No, they should
They're
be
probably all
over there
volunteers
doing
now. I
that
bet
too.
they're all volunteers.
No, oh my God, look at that house is completely gone. Like there's nothing. The chimney is the only thing standing in that house.
Look at that. That's crazy. All right, stop and let's Google where the start recording there. When if